And the next topic after denial of service we're going to look at is the DDoS, or distributed denial of service attack. And it's very similar to the denial of service, except that it uses many computers to do its dirty work. So the intentional paralyzing of a computer network by flooding it with data sent simultaneously from many individual computers. It might look something like this. We have an attacker over here and a target over here. And the attacker has some controller software on their machine. And by the way, we often call this attacker a bot herder, and we call this network of computers the botnet. So all of these zombies over here, these are called zombies, the individual computers in the botnet, they are infected with software from this controller. They don't know it, they don't see it, their computer runs normally, and in fact this thing just sits in the background doing nothing until the bot herder has enough machines. Once they have hundreds or even thousands of these machines in their botnet, then the controller can tell all of these machines to launch the attack, and all the machines launch the attack on the victim here. Well, the nice thing for the attacker is that, first of all, they can take advantage of the computing power of all of those machines, and also they remain anonymous, because the location and the identity of the attacker is never used in the actual attack. It's all of the zombies that are used in the attack. So it's very difficult to trace back to that particular bad guy. Now, I liked this particular little blurb from the original set of notes that I made this set of notes from. Imagine if everyone in a small town decided to go to a corner grocery store at the same time and ask the clerk product details. The parking lot would quickly fill. Shopping carts would be all in use. Aisles would fill up so no one could move. All the clerks would be busy so they couldn't check people out. Shopping would come to a halt. Now, if a real shopper decided to buy something, they couldn't get in, much less buy something. That's a very good analogy for a DDoS attack, or in this case, a DDoS attack.